So your project calls for 1/2-inch walnut dowels, and you don't have them and you know that they're going to be hard to find. Here's a shop tip from Wood Magazine to show you how you can make your own. So the technique in making your own dowels is pretty easy. Let's just say I'm looking for 1/2-inch dowel stock and I want to make it out of walnut. Well, I need to start with 1/2-inch square material, and I've got that here. Secondly, I need a router bit, and this one is a roundover, and the formula is if I want a 1/2-inch dowel stock, I need a 1/4-inch radius router bit. So I've set this one up on the table. The bearing here is even with the face of that fence, so I'm sure it just sits even. Secondly, the base of this router bit right here is even with the tabletop. So as I run this past the bit, and I'm going to be using a feather board to hold it up there, I'll run it first this way, then turn it 90 degrees and do it again 3 times in 4 for the round. Last thing is, depending upon the length of that dowel that you want, make sure that you make it long enough, because I'm going to use a push stick like this. As I get close to the end, I'll stop here. So I want what's left here to be the length plus a little bit of material. So here's how this works. Now you can trim off the squared end here and cut your dowel to length. Pretty cool idea, isn't it?